Hello everyone. So what I have here is the student project, which is a music website that not only allows you to listen to songs but also download them. This is supposed to be a replication of the Spotify web app, which is, as we all know, is the popular app for downloading music and listening to it. And this project is based on the Node.js programming language. And as of now, we have only 5 songs integrated into it, but that's because of the space constraint being offered by the website. And since this is a Node.js based website, both front end and back end are integrated into it. Thank you.